Have you always been intrigued by leatherwork but never known actually where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. I started bag making about 15 years ago, and I'd always been a real avid sewer, and as soon as I started working with leather, I just fell in love with it. It's such a lovely material to work with. It always really surprises people when I say to them that they can sew leather on a home domestic sewing machine. Our new Gold membership means that all of the online pre-recorded courses are hosted within that membership. We've also got the live Q&As and also the sew along. We are going to introduce you to the basic principles of leather bag making and show you just how fun and easy it can be. You will not need lots of expensive equipment, just your sewing machine, and we pretty much cover the rest. We have all the basic principles and introduce you to professional bag making techniques. We also show you all the ways to customize your designs with applique techniques. You'll be a fashion accessories designer before you know it. As an added bonus, we're including a mini course which is a great intro to bag making and upcycling. But what you need to have a little think about is if anyone wants to actually do one of the projects, then you can buy from us the patterns and the kits. That includes all the leather, all the lining and all the hardware. And we'll be posting all these things to you straight to your door wherever you are in the world. And of course you'll have access to all of our professional bag making experts, so if any of you get stuck or you've got questions, we're always here to help. Bag making can become very addictive, so watch out, you might get hooked. I can't wait to meet you and see all your creations.